guys. We're currently driving down the highway heading for the drag strip in the shit horse. Trying to run that 10-second EP. If it dies, it dies. Well, I don't know if you guys can really hear that, but it's making some sort of noise, so we're heading back to Clayton's. And the oil pressure isn't so shit hot either, so back to Winnipeg. Well, we made it back to Clayton's. It still runs, but sounds good.
I was prepared this time. The car was not.
Yeah.
Although we tried to prepare it last night, we changed the oil, cleaned the fuel filter. I changed some tune things that wouldn't affect what it's doing now.
But they also changed the oil and found lots of brass, bronze from the messed up turbo. So
the oil pan looked like one of those plates on Gold Rush. Panted for gold. Lots of sparklies, lots of colors in there.
We should have changed that oil like right after power.
yeah, we should have.
We kind of forgot. Slash owned by 5 people, so who cares?
Yeah. So, you know, for you guys, you might get to see the engine pulled out again, or will, I guess, since it has basically no oil pressure again. But I guess we're gonna go to the track and watch some racing or something.
Season ender.
See, and I said that. I said let's check the cam sensor, but it's so hard to get back there.
So it's a couple weeks later, and we're pulling the engine out now.
We are.
As we always do. And Clayton was just telling Rob how he found the cam sensor was unplugged.
Yeah, that makes perfect sense. Why it wouldn't start good.
It's the third time every
Yeah, sure. Yeah, the starting, not the oil pressure though. So we're gonna get pulling this engine out all the way. Clayton's already done lots of it by himself.
I can't sit idle.
He is motivated. Nice day. We cruised here in the old S10, got some coffee, but Clayton's already got her half ripped apart. So this is only gonna take like 10 minutes and it'll be out of here. Come on, what? We got to figure it out at this time.
I saved the converter bolts.
The juicy part for me.
The greasy part for you.
All right, let's get her going. Got it ready to pull. Clayton just put the jack under the trans, support it at the front, and we'll go get the A-frame and lift this thing out. Like 15 minutes, basically. Had to relieve some water stress in the headlight there.
It had like a boil or a cyst or whatever.
Yeah. And there's the engine on the stand. All pink and shiny. So we're gonna have to take it apart and kind of have a look. It's probably just gonna need to be cleaned more than anything. The oil pump cleaned. Really, it's our fault, and it's mostly because of lack of maintenance or caring for this car, because it's such a piece of junk that after we blew the turbo and we knew there was stuff in the engine after power cruise, we didn't even change the oil, and then we went and did that race day where I made like 8 passes. So that's what you do with the junkyard engine like this. You beat on it and not care about it, and then over winter you rebuild it. So we're in that stage now, and you guys will get to see it as always. So subscribe and make sure to hit the notification button too, the bell.
Subscriber gave us some center caps.
Yes.
Asking you so shall receive, they said. Except Clayton lost one of them apparently.
Not lost.
Where is it then?
Well, she's back in her spot, probably for, well, definitely for the season. Unless all of a sudden it stays warm here all year.
I mean, we should get a container and drain the oil out too while we're at it.
It's right here.
Be an idea.
I guess that's why Mike put it there.
And then we'll tear this thing apart and
When?
Not today.
in 15 minutes.
No, not today. Because we gotta find some boxes and crates or something. Cause
Yeah, I got some boxes. Yeah, no, not today, but in an upcoming video,
it's gotta be fucking organized.
we'll take her apart. Yeah, there's lots of LS ing going on in here right now.
Ford guy, there's more fucking
LS there, LS over here. Copyright.
Getting ridiculous. Lots of content though.
Never ending content with the LS.
No. Yeah, but how's that gonna work?
No, I don't know. We'll drain it out the turbo drain
if
first.
we turn the motor sideways the other way.
And use the turbo drain, yeah.
No,
Oh, I see what you're
that's
saying.
not what I was thinking.
Oh,
Get it over so that it'll drain out the bucket. Like here.
More?
No, that should be good. Just need a wrench now.
I tightened the shit out of that thing,
Kind of
so
there.
Well, I'll hold it. I
good
guess.
luck.
What is that? 13, 14?
Something like that.
13, 14, yeah. The rare 13, 14 wrench.
What's that?
I said the pink paint held up pretty good.
It's 14.
So the last time we did an oil change on this, right before the clips at the start of this video, us driving it, there's a whole bunch of like copper, right, and bronze and all kinds
Turbo
of precious
lead-ins.
metals.
Brass.
Turbo lead-ins.
Yeah, turbo bearing material. So let's see what comes out now.
It's pretty metal flaky.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there we go.
Look at that.
There's
Oh,
a bunch.
Get fucking sluicing, Rob.
Yeah,
Is that what they say?
we're rich.
Look at the
That'll be the thumbnail. Rob goes sluicing for gold.
platinum. Oh, there's some more.
Ooh.
Here, take this plug out of my hand.
Oh, there's some moisture.
Fine.
What?
Take that out of my hand.
Look at the
it's
oil-
just
look at the-
coming now.
We're rich boys.
Look at all the sludge on the plug, and that's from like driving down the highway a little bit and back. Yeah.
And that was a fancy build, this one.
Well, not really. It's still gonna be just as fancy. I mean, everyone's gonna act like this is a big deal, but this is pretty average. Especially when you blow up a turbo and then just don't change the oil and no fucks are
The
given.
motor
And
should have come out after the turbo.
Like I said, it still ran pretty good. Wasn't really hammering or anything.
yeah, it's not really hurt. If anything, a bearing or two.
I mean, if it was any car but the shit versus
That's more sparkly than the intake. Jeez, that's crazy.
not so much metal now.
Actually, maybe we don't have to even take the heads off, right? If we get lucky. I was just thinking, like, how many more?
If we just check the bearings,
Well, if we do that first before we pull the heads off, there's probably no damage or nothing wrong with the pistons, or
yeah,
it's probably all bottom end, and we can pull the crank out and just leave, if we have to, and just leave the the pistons and rods in, just put new bearings in, if that's what it needs.
Cylinder walls look like.
Or if the crank is bad, we get another crank, right?
yeah. And I mean, we got 6 months until the drag strip is open again. So,
What we have?
like I said, the shit horse is now a dedicated race car.
Oh, I think it's at my house.
10-second
'Cause I guess
goal
that's-
race
I guess
car.
that wouldn't work with the pistons.
Why me?
Is the stroke the same?
Is it? Is it
5.36
Or
liter.
is it just the
I don't know.
bore?
I think the bore is just different.
No.
Is it?
You're the LS guy.
I don't remember.
Yeah, that's what Google's for.
Yeah.
Just
reply in the comments
Remember
whether
that?
if we're dumb or not.
Remember that junkyard?
Yeah,
stove
looks
too?
nice. Yeah, I
Paints
saw
it all up.
It's very tubey.
Tubular.
Totally.
Tubular, man. Either you just saw a video of this or you're about to see one. There'll be more coming.
Parts coming tomorrow.
Yeah, we got Fox bodies for days around here.
Should be the K member tomorrow. The K member and tranny mount.
So nice in here now.
That's not done yet.
Drop a like for 4 eyes, guys and girl.
Where am I gonna put this fucking thing?
Right there. Good here for now.
We're gonna figure out where to house all these LSs, and we'll see you guys later. So yeah. Bye.
Bye. Check you later.
Later.